Pull it back some.
Back?
There.
It's not about bullets and bombs, borders, or territories. Freddy should. He's crying. How'd that work?
Set it over here, Lane. Maybe he'll turn.
Right there.
If Cosmo gets you, it puts your father
Turn it on so you can see it flash.
Why should my father suddenly start caring about me now? Nathan, you don't know the first thing about your father. I know he scares the shit out of you.
Put it a little closer for him.
Myers, report. Torres, report. Torres, report.
Oh, pull it back. There you go.
This thing that Cosmo wants so badly, but my father stole. What is it? The naked eye is a sequence of meaningless numbers and letters. It's actually an encrypted list of 25 people who've sold or traded state secrets. You have any idea how valuable that kind of information is?
Oh.
No, it's even worse.